another plant haul I did. I seriously have a problem. The more the pandemic goes on, the more I try to order online. Plants are filling the hole that the pandemic has left. New plants! Let's quickly unbox it. So this is another set of plants from soil.in, and I'm excited to show you what I have got this time. This time they have shipped by Ecom Express instead of India Post, which I think it's better because they delivered on a Sunday, which is not something I can expect from other postal services. It's really cool. Okay, the inside is visible now. Let's open one by one. Ooh, wow. My first alocasia, first of them, and that's really what I can say about it. Just look at the leaves. It's just amazing. A couple of yellow leaves, but that's okay. Let's open plant number 2. Don't fall. My first philodendron Birkin. I have been wanting this plant for so long. Oh, such a beautiful leaf. Do you see this? It's out of this earth. This will be my first calathea in my series of calatheas. I hope if I can learn how to take care of them. But I'm really excited. I have wanted them for so long now. Finally got the courage to buy it. Just look at the leaves. Amazing. So jokes aside, I bought this plant haul is again from soil.in. I wanted an alocasia for quite some time. I think they shipped me an alocasia sanderiana, but I don't think it's sanderiana because these leaves are not growing very large. So I think they shipped me a different alocasia, but they said they would ship me alocasia sanderiana. So I think soil.in sometimes ships a different variety of the plant. But anyways, plants are plants. I'm happy with it. I thought it would come with large leaves. So I think Sanderiana has very large leaves. So the seeds will easily double in height, but I don't think this is Sanderiana. This is the smaller shaped hybrid alocasia. So, anyways, alocasias. This is my first alocasia. So, as I mentioned in my previous video, this got a little bit infected after a month since I unboxed it. So it's doing well now. It's alive, and this is the new shiny leaf that is there. I enjoy taking a lot of photographs of it because of the patterns that it has inside the leaves. I mean, I don't know if you can see, I'll attach a photo somewhere here, but it has very beautiful beautiful vein-like patterns on it, and it's just amazing. So this is I think these go from bulbs, and they gave me two such bulbs. One is this 3 one, and the other one is the small one. And this pretty much came for 449 rupees. So it's a little bit on the expensive side. I lost a lot of these because of the infection. Before that, it was much more worth it, I would say, but 449 for these many leaves doesn't look good because I lost a few leaves because of the infection. So I'd say, okay, I'm not very happy with this plant because it got infected in the soil. I think it came in infected. So another plant that I wanted to is the Calathea Burmaxi, or whatever it's called. So you see, this plant is kind of completely unhappy right now because humidity has just left the Kolkata weather. This is how the leaf looks. This is how it looks. This is beautiful. Well, it was a little bit dry when it came in. I'm trying to. So you see, this is the sign of lower humidity. It just curls up, trying to save humidity, and sometimes it dries up. So I've kept it outside now. It doesn't like AC craft at all. I mean, doesn't, and it also doesn't like to sit in wet soils. I'm planning to repot this again with a little bit of, you know, because this looks like a very soggy soil. But I'm overall happy with the plant. The plant became very large. I mean, you can see that it's drooping right now because it's not happy. But these are how many leaves it has. I lost a couple of leaves here as well because of the transition between humid and non-humid weather. So since I bought it, it has also lost a couple of leaves because this is one of the most moody plants that is there when it comes to humidity. So yeah. I hope it grows some new leaves though. I mean, there are some new leaves, so but they were getting discolored like this instead of growing like this. So, I mean, this is a sign of not getting enough light. So here for the last couple of weeks, there has been no light and no humidity because of cloudy conditions and the winter approaching. So it's been a difficult transition for this guy. I just wanted to show you the real side of it. You might invest a lot in your plants, but sometimes due to weather change, it might suddenly start being sad. But I got this gorgeous little plant. I'm very happy with it. This is my first Calathea, and I just got it for 380 bucks. So which is good. I might repot it, but I'm afraid to repot it because it will go into Photoshop. For now, I'm still trying to figure out the best spot for it. I have kept it outside in shade for now in my rack because there is no sun inside, there's no light inside, there's no humidity inside. So I decided to keep it outside. Now, for my favorite plant in this hall, I got 3 plants. This is my favorite. This is this guy. So beautiful. Philodendron Birkin. I mean, I can't get enough of it, and I now realize that I shot this video entirely without a mic. That's me. Anyways, so basically, this is the plant, and within a month, surprise, there is a cute little leaf unfurling right now. If you can see that. So yeah, I'm really happy with this plant. I think I got it for 699 rupees, which is much cheaper than other online sites, and I couldn't find it anywhere in local nurseries, so I decided to give it a go. And I bought it from these guys, and I'm very, very happy with it. Very, very happy with it. Look at the beautiful plant. So it came with these many leaves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it came with 2 more leaves, smaller leaves on the side that got a little bit infected. I don't know what it's trying to poke here. Do you see the pokey thing here? I don't know what that is. It might be a root coming out, aerial root or something like that, but it's definitely something. Basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I am waiting for this guy to grow more growth. It had 2 yellow leaves, but that's okay. It went into shock and all of that, but it bounced back and gave new growth immediately. So this is the plant that made me the happiest. Overall plant haul, these three cost me around 1500 rupees. I got no discount. I think there was no discount. Just what, three plants for 1500. I think on an average each plant came for 500 bucks, because all three plants are very, I would say at least the Birkin and the alocasias are not that common, and they come in a little bit costlier, on the costlier side, but that's okay. I mean, if you are willing to spend, you can spend on these two, but you know what to watch out for. Watch out for soil infection and watch out for overwatering on this. That's pretty much it. Look at the gorgeous plant. Hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit a like if you really learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys watch and don't subscribe, don't you? Subscribe. Bye.